I feel that there is a deep need to speak on what a Xhosa man is. I think there's a deep need to speak on what negative outputs exist today in our cultural practices and traditions. My core focus is going to be ulwaluko, but I'm gonna, touch base here and there with other traditional practices like, intonjane, ulobola, umtshato wesiXhosa, idini, neminye imisebenzi ke eyenzelwa ebuhlanti nasegadini. So I'm gonna touch base a bit and reflect on their history, so that those who are not sure on how things are supposed to be done will have a foundational indication that they can use as a standpoint to go from when they research further things. And I will provide as much insight as I can, and I will point you to the right directions as much as I can. But yeah, I think it's an important conversation to have, so that we understand isukaphi into yoba kubekho usiko lolwaluko, yayisenzelwa ntoni, yaze yatshintsha xa kutheni, indoda yintoni, ngumntu oziphatha njani, ngumntu owenza njani, ngumntu ogqiba okanye oqiqa athathe izigqibo ezinjani. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for the rest of this year.